To transfer money from Forex to Revolut, you will need to follow a series of steps that ensure a seamless and secure transaction. First, you need to understand what Forex and Revolut are. Forex is a market where individuals, businesses, and institutions trade currencies, while Revolut is a digital banking platform that allows users to manage their finances, including receiving and sending money across borders. To begin the transfer process, log into your Forex account and navigate to the withdrawal or transfer section. Here, you will be required to provide the recipient's details, which in this case is your Revolut account. You will need your Revolut account number and the routing number, which can be found in the Revolut app. Next, select the currency you want to transfer and the amount. It is essential to consider the exchange rates and any transfer fees that may apply. Forex platforms often provide competitive exchange rates, but transfer fees may vary. Once you have entered the recipient's details and the transfer amount, review the transaction to ensure everything is correct. This includes the recipient's details, the transfer amount, and the exchange rate. It is crucial to double-check this information to avoid any errors or delays. After reviewing the transaction, confirm and initiate the transfer. The transfer processing time may vary depending on the Forex platform and the transfer method. Some transfers may be processed instantly, while others may take several business days. To receive the transfer in your Revolut account, ensure that your account is active and verified. You can track the transfer status in your Forex account or contact the Forex customer support team for assistance. Best practices for transferring money from Forex to Revolut include monitoring exchange rates to get the best deal, being aware of transfer fees, and keeping your Revolut account details up to date. It is also essential to use secure and reputable Forex platforms to avoid any potential risks. In conclusion, transferring money from Forex to Revolut requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and secure transaction. Always prioritize security and use reputable platforms to protect your finances.